So this question says, from Loftus and Palmer's study, identify two quantitative findings. Now, most of the findings in this study are quantitative. You could have either experiment 1 or experiment 2. But a finding would be that the verb smashed had, well, when asked in the critical question about how fast were the cars going when they smashed into each other, had the highest speed estimate of 40.1. You could, so that's basically saying that it's the highest. If you're doing findings, you can say the highest, you can say the lowest, or you can do a comparison between them. If you're just kind of stating a raw data finding, like say you said the smashed verb had a mean speed estimate of 40.1 miles per hour, because that's just reporting the finding, you have to put a comparison on. So you'd say, whereas the contacted verb, or the verb of contacted in the question about how fast were the cars going when they contacted each other, had a mean speed estimate of 34 miles per hour. So you put that comparison on if you're just stating a raw data finding from a table. If you say the highest, if you say the lowest, if you say kind of like the range or the mode or whatever, obviously not in this study but in any other study, then you can put that on its own without the comparison. Another quantitative finding then would be in the second experiment, when participants were asked if they saw broken glass, if they'd had the smashed verb in the question about how fast were the cars going when they smashed into each other the week before they were asked this, did they see any glass, then 16 of them said yes they had, compared to 7 if the verb hit was used and 6 if it was a control group where they weren't asked about the speed. So that would be two findings from Loftus and Palmer's study.